Katnat ka kwat ka khia cho ka sarkar jila Meghalaya da ka jing angnun ban a ya ka jing shakri ka papaka shagi patba khamtam ki tu ki bawan na ki longjing longsam ki badung kala pentre kam biang ya ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme Phase 2 kani ka scheme ba kerpang cho ka sarkar jila kalong ban penyo ki jingirap shagi patba ka jila ka bai dei bat ka jing siaw ya ka bai sumar pang ha ki hospital ki balaya te bat kani ka scheme ya kini ka scheme ka sarkar kala penbana ha ka jingilang ka blalong ha umsning auditorium ribhoi district ha ka ba na kaliang menteri rang ba ka jilau Dr. Mukul Sangma ulalong ku mukongsan harengkat ka jingidon lang unong aibot barang ba ka sarkar jila u Dr. Didi Lapang u menteri katnat ka kot ka khia ba ALHEC ka deputy commissioner ka Dr. Puja Pandey u superintendent of police ba GD Kharwan lang ki kendram kilendan bat kiwe
has gone down, but after free, but the disease, illiteracy, and the to be. Today we talk and I am very proud whenever I say the initiative you have taken is exceptionally high. Your vision, your mission, and your determination is known to everyone, and you have no stone unturned. The nook and corner of the state, and during your districts have declared all sorts of schemes, and today the health of the people is a very precious.
We are having the MHIS Phase 1, and today with the Phase 2. Starting and launching of any program depends on actually how these programs are the last man in the society, the last family in the society. It's one thing, but their successful implementation is the figures of the Phase 1 MHIS. I was just whispering to, well, look at the reimbursement. The total reimbursement for the whole state is above 16 crores. In Rivhoi, it is 84,20,314. But out of this 1 crore 84,20,314, has a reimbursement of 1 crore 32 lakhs 22,445. Other blocks within the district. This is to capture our attention, and therefore this kind of reaching out to the program is designed